You guys gotta tell me you feeling this, because I'm feeling this. Like, girl. Like, are we in the Twilight Zone right now? Because I am utterly confused. This is a Bobbi Boss unit. I am blown away. Do you see this? Do you see this? You and Sensational need to take notes from yourself, because this hair... Oh my god, you guys.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. At least inside my mind, there's no confines from what I seek or what I speak. A bit of peace to let my mind at ease. The music's all I need, a little comical relief. Grief comes in waves, so maybe that's why y'all been drowning. Smiles to the world, but in your bathroom you are frowning. Down in the uppers for supper just to feel down again. I know you're lost, but ain't no shame in getting found again. Fuck synthetic happiness, the ultimate deception. I'd rather feel alive even if swimming in depression. Cause I never wanna leave myself to the power of possession. No materialistic things that seem to lead you to aggression. Yeah, what am I protecting? What you been neglecting? I'm talking sense of self, I know my presence is a present. Elevation is my favorite type of antidepressant. Even through life's devastation, know my vibes illuminescent.
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with something a little bit different. You guys know I don't really do much human hair reviews. I did pick this unit up super long ago. Still haven't seen one review on it, so I just decided to get on camera for you guys today and finally do a review on it. I've been nervous to try it because it's from Bobbi Boss and they have been disappointing me lately, and I just did not want to be disappointed, but honey, I am pleasantly surprised. Now this unit is a human hair unit, you guys, like Bobbi Boss. So I'm wearing this unit in the style MHL517 Salma in the color natural. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one, honey. So this unit does come with your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with 13x4 parting space as well as HD lace, honey. It does come also pre-plucked, and it does have baby hairs. There is also a little bit of lace in the back, so they do qualify this as 360, even though we know it's not a real 360. Just note there definitely is some lace in the back, so you can get away with wearing it up if you did want to. Like, Bobbi Boss did the thing with this one, and I feel like it could definitely use some work, but I didn't even want to actually go and lay baby hairs and do all the extra stuff today, because I just want to show you that you don't even need them with this unit. Like, this is giving realistic vibes, honey. Even the hairline. The quality of this hair, you guys, is everything. It was super soft straight out of the pack. And to just see how the hair worked with water and mousse, I did just go in and apply some to just define the curl pattern a little bit more, and it did, of course, take it very well. So I was all here for that. So the length on this one is definitely on the natural side. As you can see, I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come just above my boobs. Since it's curly, I want to say maybe it's like 20 inches. It's very natural, and of course you can get some more length if you just go and stretch this bad boy out. But I really like just the length that it is. The density on this one is very nice. If I had to guess, I want to say, as always, it's like 150% density. It's perfect. It's right in the middle. And of course, you can fluff out these curls and get some more density going if you do want to. But I feel like where it is right now is perfect. The texture on this unit, like I said, girl, it is very soft. I mean, and for the price point that this unit was, like, it better be serving this sort of vibe, if you know what I'm saying. I'm going to say this unit was around, like, $240, so it's definitely on the pricey side for sure. But I do feel like I did get my money's worth for sure. I was not sent this unit, you guys. I did purchase this with my own money. Whether I was sent a unit or I purchased it with my own money, I am always coming to you guys with my honest opinion. Always. This is what I've been looking for. So the cap size on this unit is is coming off definitely small and medium head friendly. As far as big head friendly is concerned, I did not go in and adjust the straps at all. It's fitting my head perfectly. My head is on the small to medium size, about 22.5 inches in circumference. So definitely beware if this is one you're considering getting. It seems like it's fitting my head perfectly, but I think if you do have a larger size head, this one could possibly be an issue for you. So let's just pop into the cons and then pros of this unit. It's been so long since I had no cons with a Bobbi Boss unit, you guys. Like, are we in the Twilight Zone right now? Because I am utterly confused. This is perfect. This is the type of curly hair that I wanted. Like, I'm so happy that it looks just like it does on the stock card. Yes, it's finally giving me stock card vibes, and I think I actually like it a little bit better in person than I do with the stock card. So let me just pop into the pros for you guys. This hairline I feel like is very nice. You can definitely go in and pluck it out some more if you do feel the need to do so, but I honestly feel like if you're lazy like me, this hair is going to be lazy girl friendly, because I feel like how it is right now, like I'm good to go. Like I don't even got to do all the extra. I could just pop it on, pop outside real quick. Like I don't got to worry about none of that. Like, girl, this is definitely lazy hair approved, throw in and go approved. I am here for it. So yes for the hairline, yes for the HD lace, yes for the 13x4 parting space, yes for the 360 itty bitty bit of lace you get in the back if you do decide to throw it up into even more versatile styles, yes for the baby hairs, yes for the texture and the curl pattern. I am so excited with this one, you guys. Bobbi Boss, you guys need to pick this up. Like, if this is in the price range that you tend to spend on your own human hair units, I highly would recommend this one. But I can definitely see why people would stray away from this, because the price point is definitely on the higher side, and I can definitely see why it's such a big commitment, you guys. But I do feel like, in my honest opinion, I am here for this one, and of course I am going to continuously wear it, and I will give you an update on how it is holding up for me. I'm feeling like it could be one that holds up for a good amount of time, so I see why a price point could be higher if your unit definitely gets a long life wear. So we're gonna just see how this holds up, but as an initial review, honey, you guys gotta tell me you feeling this, because I'm feeling this, like, girl. But that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.